For 50 years, the personal flying vehicle was always 5 years away. Concept cars, trade show prototypes, CGI promises. But while the hype cycled, aerospace engineers quietly solved the real problem, using electric motors, lithium batteries, and flight software sophisticated enough to stabilize an aircraft automatically. Today, we're looking at 7 fully operational electric passenger aircraft you can actually buy or pre-order right now. These are eVTOLs, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, and several qualify under FAA Part 103 regulations, meaning no pilot certificate is required in the US, though operators must still follow federal airspace and safety rules. They're not replacements for commercial jets. Range and regulations still apply, but they are real, they're delivering, and one of them is a street-legal vehicle that drives on the highway before lifting into the air. Let's start with the one that looks like it came off a movie set. Number 7. The Jetson 1. If you have ever watched a Formula 1 race and thought, I wish that had rotors, meet the Jetson 1. Built in Sweden on an aerospace-grade aluminum space frame, this single-seat aircraft looks like something pulled from a film set, and it flies like it too. Here is the headline for anyone concerned about complexity. Because it meets FAA Part 103 Ultralight standards, no pilot's license is required in the United States. You do not need to log hours, pass written exams, or visit a flight school. But that simplicity does not mean it cuts corners on safety. The Jetson 1 runs a triple redundant flight computer, meaning 3 independent systems have to fail simultaneously before you have a problem. It uses LiDAR terrain tracking to monitor the ground below in real time. And if you ever freeze up and let go of the controls, the aircraft does not spiral. It stops, hovers, and waits for you. Top speed is 63 miles per hour with roughly 20 minutes of flight time per charge, ideal for recreational flights, scouting property, or simply experiencing what personal aviation actually feels like. A rapid deploy ballistic parachute is included as a last resort safety net. Current price is $148,000, and demand has already outpaced supply. Build slots are sold out through 2027. If this is on your radar, getting on the waitlist now is the move. Number 6. The Ryse Recon. Most personal aircraft on this list are designed for the city commuter or the weekend enthusiast. The Ryse Recon is built for people who actually work the land. Designed specifically for farmers, ranchers, land managers, and outdoorsmen, the Recon is a no-nonsense quadcopter built around utility. The landing gear is pontoon style, meaning you can set it down on uneven rocky ground or directly on the surface of a lake. If you manage large acreage or need to reach remote areas quickly, that capability alone is a significant operational advantage. Battery management is designed for real-world use. The packs are fully modular. You pull them out and swap them the same way you would a battery on a professional power tool. No waiting for a charge cycle in the field. The AI-assisted flight control system levels the learning curve dramatically. According to Ryse, most first-time pilots are comfortable flying independently within a short training session. It handles a 25-mile range and operates in winds up to 25 miles per hour, which covers most working day conditions. No pilot's license required. Target price is around $150,000, which, when you compare it to the cost of a premium side-by-side, a crew helicopter charter, or the time cost of driving a tractor across 2,000 acres, starts to make a different kind of financial sense. Number 5. The Pivotal Helix. The Pivotal Helix is the aircraft on this list with the most unusual flight profile, and once you understand how it works, you will not forget it. To take off, you sit normally in the cockpit. Then the entire aircraft rotates backward on its tail axis and launches you skyward using a tilt aircraft design. Once airborne, you are looking through a wide glass canopy with an unobstructed downward view, a perspective most people never experience outside of a helicopter. The Helix is fully amphibious. Take off from a field, land on a lake. No floats required. The airframe handles it natively. Control inputs are intentionally simple. 2 joysticks managing pitch, roll, and yaw, with the flight computer handling the physics underneath. Pivotal includes a comprehensive virtual reality flight simulator program with every purchase, so you are not learning the aircraft for the first time while you are actually in the air. Deliveries are happening now at $190,000. If you value a genuinely different flying experience, one that feels more like piloting a spacecraft than operating a conventional aircraft, the Helix is in a category of its own. Number 4. The Air 1. Most personal eVTOLs top out around 60 miles per hour. The Air 1 is in a different performance tier entirely. This is a 2-seat fixed-wing eVTOL with a cruise speed of 155 miles per hour and a range of 110 miles. To put that in practical terms, a 2-hour highway commute, the kind that grinds you down 5 days a week, becomes a 15-minute direct flight. That is not a marginal improvement. That is the difference between missing dinner with your family and being home before the sun sets. The Air 1 runs what the manufacturer calls fly-by-intent software. You do not manage throttle curves or monitor trim, you indicate where you want to go, and the system handles the aerodynamics. For experienced aviators, manual control is available. For everyone else, the software carries the load. When you land, the wings fold flat for standard garage storage or transport on a car trailer. Base price starts at $150,000 for a vehicle that competes with aircraft costing several times that much. If reclaiming time from your commute is the priority, the Air 1 makes the strongest case of anything on this list. And if you think that changes commuting, wait until you see the vehicle that legally drives on the highway before lifting straight into the sky. That one redefines the category entirely. Number 3. The Doroni H1. The single biggest friction point for aircraft ownership has never been the aircraft. It is the infrastructure around it, hangar fees, airport access, and ground transport on the other end. The Doroni H1 is designed to eliminate that problem. This American-made 2-seater is specifically dimensioned to fit inside a standard 2-car residential garage. You store it at home, charge it overnight, and depart from your driveway. The H1 uses ducted fans instead of open rotors. The spinning blades are fully enclosed within the chassis shroud, which serves 2 important functions: safety and noise reduction. You are not sending exposed rotor blades spinning at head height in a residential neighborhood, and the ducted design produces a significantly quieter acoustic signature than open rotor aircraft. Performance targets are serious: 140 miles per hour top speed and a 60-mile range. The expected price is around $400,000, which positions this as the premium tier of the personal eVTOL market. But for the buyer who wants aviation-grade performance without leaving their neighborhood infrastructure behind, that premium buys something no airport-based aircraft can offer. Number 2. The Alef Model A, the street-legal flying car. We teased this one at the top. Here is why it earned the number 2 spot. The Alef Model A is not an aircraft that happens to have wheels. It is a street-legal electric vehicle that also flies. And it has the government paperwork to prove it. The Model A holds an FAA Special Airworthiness certification, making it the first vehicle of its kind to clear that regulatory hurdle. On the ground, it drives like any other electric vehicle. Hub motors in the wheels power normal highway operation. When you reach your takeoff point, it lifts vertically. No runway, no airstrip. The engineering behind the flight mode is worth understanding. The chassis is constructed as a hollow mesh structure. In flight, the entire body tilts 90 degrees to function as a biplane wing, generating lift. The passenger cabin is mounted on a gimbal system that pivots independently, keeping occupants level throughout the transition. It is one of the more sophisticated mechanical solutions on this list. Specs: 200-mile driving range, 110-mile flight range, priced at approximately $300,000. Pre-orders are open now at alef.aero. If the goal is a single vehicle that genuinely handles both road and sky without compromise and that you can park in a standard space when you land, nothing else on this list comes close. Number 1. Aridge Land Aircraft Carrier. Every other vehicle on this list is a single aircraft. Number 1 is a system. Backed by XPeng, one of China's leading EV manufacturers, the land aircraft carrier splits the concept into two integrated components. The first is a large six-wheeled hybrid electric off-road vehicle, a purpose-built carrier. The second is a two-passenger eVTOL multicopter stored in the rear cargo section. The operation works like this. You drive into terrain no conventional aircraft could reach. When you arrive at your destination, you trigger the deployment remotely. The cargo section opens. The aircraft unfolds its rotors automatically and lifts off under its own power. You are now operating an air and ground vehicle simultaneously from a single platform. Between flights, the carrier vehicle recharges the aircraft using its hybrid drivetrain. You are not dependent on charging infrastructure in the field. Expected price is under $280,000 for the complete system. Deliveries are scheduled for 2026 in select international markets, with US certification pathways still developing. For the buyer who wants the most operationally capable personal air-ground vehicle available, this is the answer. 7 vehicles, 7 different answers to the same question. What does it look like when personal aviation actually becomes practical? Some of these are for the pilot who wants pure performance. Some are for the person who needs a working tool on large property. Some are for the commuter who is done losing hours of their life to highway traffic every single day. The question I want to leave you with is a real one. Which of these makes sense for your life? The no-license simplicity of the Jetson one, the commuter math of the Air one, the all-in-one practicality of the Alef Model A? Drop your pick in the comments. The infrastructure for urban air mobility is being built right now, and the vehicles on this list are just the beginning of what is coming. See you in the next one.